Hey guys, and welcome back to Bubble Cat. Today we are going to learn how to make a pipe cleaner snail. So first, you take a color. I'm going to use orange, like the example I held. You fold it over on the tip like that, and just keep on repeating that process like a swirl. And so, if you do it correctly, it'll start looking like this. And then when you have a good size, like a size that you want, like this, you fold this over so that it's kind of like a head. And you take your scissors and cut the extra. And then here is the first nail. And then, so you can do one like this. It's a twisted one. So like in my example, you take a pink and a white. You can use any colors for these. You don't have to use mine. So you kind of like fold it over. And then you twist them together. And so, when you have a good twist, you start doing like you fold it over. And then this could be whatever size you want. If you have like really long pipe cleaners. And so you want to make sure that your twist is tight so that it doesn't have any gaps in it. And then you fold, and you're done. Again, you fold it over. And you cut off the extra. And then for the braided one, I'm going to take the colors green, red, and white. And then I do a little kind of twist at the beginning. And then I braid it. And so you do these simple braid things. And then I like this one because when you twist it, it has a lot of colors in each twist. And so when you're near the end of the braid, you can stop. And then you start twisting it, and then when you get to the good spot, when you get to the spot you want it again, you fold it over for a head, and then you cut off the extra. And these are my snails. And then if you did these correctly, you would end up with snails looking like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another video. Bye!